Hello friends, welcome back. Today's my video is for my tiny subscriber. She is in class 5 and she needs to solve this exercise, but she needs my help. She can't able to solve these kind of questions. So Aarti, this video is for you, baby. So for solve these questions, you need to know about what is the complementary angles and what is supplementary angle. So let's discuss first what is complementary angle and what is supplementary angle. So here is the definition of complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if they add up to 90 degrees. In other words, in simple language, we can say two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary only when their sum is equals to 90 degree. For example, here I have given one example. Angle of measure 60 degree and 30 degree are complementary angles. Why? Because 60 plus 30 is equals to 90. So I think now it is understandable that complementary angles are those two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Okay, let's see in Hindi. दो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स आर दोज एंगल्स जिनका सम, अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री है, देन हम उन एंगल्स को क्या बोलेंगे? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वन एंगल इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री एंड अनदर इज ऑफ 30 डिग्री, so we can calculate 60 plus 30 is equals to 90 degree. So these two angles, 60 degree and 30 degree angles, are complementary angles. So now to find the complementary angle of a given angle, किसी भी एंगल का अगर हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल फाइंड करना है, देन वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल फ्रॉम 90 डिग्री. जो भी आपको एंगल गिवन है, वट एवर इट इज, लाइक 60 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, जो भी एंगल आपको गिवन है, उसका अगर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फाइंड करना है, तो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 90 डिग्री. ओके, चलो कुछ एग्जांपल्स के साथ मैं आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में करवाती हूँ. पहले हम रीड कर लेते हैं. मतलब अब okay, examples of complementary angle. Here I have taken two angles, one is 30 degree and one is 60 degree. If we add 30 and 60 degree, we get sum is equals to 90 degree. Complementary angle adjacent भी हो सकते हैं. Adjacent means उनकी एक जो line है angle की, वो सेम शेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, मतलब वो एक ही लाइन पे दोनों एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, एक साथ बन रहे हैं, दोनों एंगल्स कंबाइंड हैं, देन दे आर एडजेसेंट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. और वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल अलग भी हो सकते हैं, जैसे वन इज हेयर 40 डिग्री एंगल एंड वन इज हेयर 50 डिग्री एंगल. अगर हम 40 और 50 को ऐड करते हैं तो सम इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. सो दीज आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. 40 and 50 आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री and 60 and 30 are also complementary angles. उसके बाद आता है supplementary angles. What is supplementary angle? Now supplementary angles, a pair of angle are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. देखो अभी हमने किया था complementary में, if the sum is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angle. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the two angles are called supplementary angles. Only this is the difference between complementary and supplementary. The sum of complementary angle is 90 degree and the sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Okay, thus the supplementary angle of 80 is the angle of measure 100. Okay, leave this line. To find the supplementary angle of a given angle, now if we need to find supplementary angle, and then what we need to do, we need to subtract the measure of angle from 180 degree. If we have given one angle, like suppose we need to find supplementary angle of 80. If we need to find supplementary angle of 80, then what we need to do, we need to subtract 80 from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 80, what we will get? We will get 100. So supplementary of 80 is 100 degree angle. Okay. Now for example, supplementary angle here, here this line, we have two angles, 30 degree and 150 degree, and the sum of 150 and 30 degree is 180 degree. So 150 and 30 are supplementary angles. Fine. Now I think it is clear now. Yes, now we can solve these questions. We have first question here, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? We need to tell which of the pair of these angles are complementary. So if we need to check whether these angles are complementary or not, what we need to do? We need to add these angles. If the sum of the two angles are 90, then the pair of angles is complementary, otherwise no. So let's do first example. Yes, number 1. We have 60 plus 20. So the sum of 60 plus 20 is 80 degrees. But we know that complementary angle have sum is 90 degrees. If two angles are complementary angles, then their sum is equals to 90 degree. But here question, first question, there are two angles 60 plus and 20, their sum is 80. So these are not complementary angles. So what we can write? These are not complementary angles. Now take second example, question B part. Here 63 and 27. Now we can add 63 plus 27. So answer is 10 and 1 carry forward. 6 plus 2 8 plus 1, which is equal to 90. Here we got the sum is equals to 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. Fine. In this way we can solve all the questions here. If you now Aarti, if you find any difficulty in solving these questions, please let me know. I will solve all of them for you. Okay. Now we will do question number 2. Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? Now we have first question, 40 degree plus 140 degree. Now we know that the supplementary angles have sum 180 degree. What is the sum of supplementary angles? 180 degree. Now we need to add these two angles. What is the sum of these two angles? 0, 4 plus 4 8, then 1. We got sum is 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles. We can write here these two angles are supplementary angles. Let's take another example. Question B, 30 plus 160. Now the sum of 30 plus 160 is 190. So it is not 180. So the pair of these two angle is not supplementary. I think now you can solve these questions. Solve it and let me know you can do or not. Okay dear. Yes. Now third question. Question number 3. We need to do what we need to do, write the complement of the following angles. We need to find complement of these angles. Now first part, now first question A, we need to find complement of 26 degrees. So मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि हाउ वी विल फाइंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इफ वी नीड टू फाइंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट, वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट एंगल फ्रॉम 90 डिग्रीज. 90, so 90 minus 26, what we get in answer, that is the complement of 26 degrees. जो भी हम 90 minus 26 करने के बाद हमें जो भी आंसर मिलेगा, that is the complement of 26. in simple words, अगर हमें complement find करना है तो हम 90 डिग्री में से उस एंगल को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, तो जो भी आंसर हमारे पास आएगा वो होगा 26 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो यहाँ पे हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद आंसर आता है 10 minus 6 4 and 8 minus 2 6. Answer is 64 degree. So the complement of 26 is equals to 64 degree. ऐसे ही अगर सेकेंड पार्ट हमें करना है तो सेकेंड पार्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 33 डिग्री. if we need to find complement of 33, we need to subtract it from 90. so 90 minus 33 is equals to 10 minus 3 7 and 8 minus 3 5. so complement of 33 is equals to 57 degrees. Is it clear? I think this is helpful for you, and you can do all the questions by using this method, and it is now, I think it is easy for you too. And now we can do fourth question as it is. We know the supplementary angles have sum is equals to 180 degree. So if we need to find supplement, then we need to subtract it from 180 degree. Here we need to find supplement angle of 112. So we can subtract 112 from 180 degree. So answer 8. 7 minus 1 6 and 1 minus 1 0. So supplement of 112 is equals to 68 degrees. This is the supplement of 112. Now dear, please solve all the questions. If you find any difficulty, please let me know. I will help you surely. And I think my video is helpful for you. Thank you for giving me your problems, and I can love to solve your problems. If you have any problem in future, please let me know. I will make video on it, and I will really happy that I am getting queries now, and I love to solve your queries, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.